Hey everyone, Fred here, coming at you from Japan. Currently, I am in Kyoto. We just arrived here from Tokyo. We arrived in Tokyo, Japan on Sunday the 22nd. Today is now the 27th of June, and we spent the first few days in Tokyo. It's an amazing experience. Then we're going to spend a few days here in Kyoto and then a couple days in Osaka. One thing that's cool that we took the bullet train from Tokyo to Kyoto, and it's an amazing experience. I just want to tell you all, thank you for following me. I will be podcasting soon, getting more episodes up, and I am going to do a longer episode in the next day or so coming from Kyoto. All right, folks, thank you. I just wanted to give you an update on what's happening, and I'll talk to you soon.